Trusted. Optimized. Proven. We are Top Global Parts. Top Global Parts is a global leader in heavy equipment parts supply and the #1 parts provider in Korea. Top Global Parts established in November 1994 in Korea. We have expanded our reach and partnerships to major cities worldwide. With decades of trust, our strong dealer network remains one of our greatest strengths. As an industry leader, we promise fast and accurate supply. Today, we work with more than 200 partners in over 60 countries, continuing to grow each year toward becoming the world's premier heavy equipment parts company. We are trusted. At Top Global Parts, we believe quality control from start to finish is essential. Our team employs the latest equipment and testing methods to ensure strict and thorough quality management. Top Global Parts, proud to hold international certifications. And we continue to strengthen these certifications across all areas. We are optimized, from accessories and filters to the latest travel and swing motor devices. We supply over 100 categories and more than 100,000 parts worldwide. Need the right part? On time? Top Global Parts is your answer. Accessories and filters, bearings, breakers, breaker chisels, breaker parts, gears, swing devices, travel motors, swing bearings, sprocket, hydraulic cylinders assembly, idlers, seal kits, tooths and adapters, track rollers and railer rollers, track links, track shoes, hydraulic pumps, pump spare parts. With over 30 years of expertise, we know what matters most to our customers. At the heart of global logistics in Xi'an, we operate a large-scale distribution center. Powered by our advanced logistics system, we deliver anywhere in the world. From a single part to bulk orders, your parts are delivered quickly, easily, and precisely, always on time. We guarantee it. Your parts are perfectly prepared, today and every day. We are proven. Built on trust and quality. Top Global Parts supplies genuine and OEM parts to world-leading heavy equipment and automotive brands. Our own brand TMC, drive motors, and final drives are recognized and trusted globally. And our high-quality hammer breakers, designed and manufactured in Korea, are renowned for their durability and innovation. We are always ready to deliver satisfaction, proving excellence not only in our products, but in our service as well. We are you. We care about you. We are always committed to your success. This is our mission and our promise. Driven by quality, defined by trust, we are Top Global Parts.